When it comes to securing and enhancing the exterior of our homes, boundary walls play a crucial role. Not only do they provide a sense of safety and privacy, but they also add to the aesthetic appeal of our property. One of the most popular and effective ways to elevate the look and feel of our boundary walls is by incorporating metal grille designs. In this video, we'll explore the various aspects of boundary wall metal grille design, including the different types, benefits, and factors to consider when choosing the perfect design for your home. Types of metal grille designs. When it comes to metal grille designs for boundary walls, there are numerous options to choose from. Each design has its unique characteristics, advantages, and style quotient. Some of the most popular metal grille designs include horizontal bar grilles, vertical bar grilles, diagonal bar grilles, and ornamental grilles featuring floral, geometric, or arabesque patterns. Horizontal bar grilles are a sleek and modern option, featuring horizontal bars spaced evenly apart. This design is perfect for those who want a clean and minimalist look. Vertical bar grilles, on the other hand, are a classic choice, featuring vertical bars that provide excellent visibility and security. Diagonal bar grilles offer a unique twist on the classic design, featuring diagonal bars that add visual interest to the boundary wall. Ornamental grilles are perfect for those who want to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their boundary wall. These grilles feature intricate designs and patterns, such as floral motifs, geometric shapes, or arabesque patterns. Ornamental grilles are not only visually stunning but also provide excellent security and durability. Benefits of metal grille designs. Metal grille designs offer numerous benefits for homeowners. One of the primary advantages is security. Metal grilles provide an additional layer of protection against intruders, making it difficult for them to climb over or break through the boundary wall. Metal grilles also provide excellent visibility, allowing homeowners to keep an eye on their surroundings. Another significant benefit of metal grille designs is durability. Metal grilles are made from high-quality materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions, such as heavy rainfall, intense sunlight, and strong winds. Metal grilles also require minimal maintenance, making them a practical choice for homeowners. Metal grille designs also offer aesthetic benefits. They can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the exterior of a home, enhancing its curb appeal. Metal grilles come in a variety of designs, styles, and colors, making it easy for homeowners to choose a design that complements their home's architecture and style. Factors to consider when choosing a metal grille design. When choosing a metal grille design for your boundary wall, there are several factors to consider. One of the primary factors is security. Consider the level of security you need, and choose a design that provides excellent protection against intruders. Another factor to consider is durability. Choose a metal grille design made from high-quality materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on home design and decor. Thank you for watching.